Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can use keys in Geometry Dash. Basically the first thing that I'm going to do is to add a key onto my level right here. And basically if we play out the video, of course nothing will happen. Now what if we add a keyhole onto this specific wall right here or to this block? Once again, basically nothing will happen because we haven't made any changes to the blocks. Now, the first thing that you want to do in order to use your key is to add a move trigger. So you want to place it right beside your key right here. Click on the Added Objects option, enable touch trigger. And from here, you then want to set your target group to 1. And then I'm going to put the ease in and out on the easing option. Of course, you can edit out your move time. And since I want to move up the wall, I'll then select the move Y option right here. Now, the next thing that you want to do is to simply head back to the edit option, navigate the blocks that you want to move. And from here, I'll just click on the edit group option. I'm going to select group 1 according to our move trigger. Click on OK. And basically, if we press or got our key right here, the blocks will eventually move. So I'll go ahead and edit out my move trigger once more. I'll move this even more faster. And basically, let's play out the video once more. And that should enable you to use the key function on Geometry Dash. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.